What's up everybody, Jack of Many Trades back here again with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new DJI Osmo Mobile 6 and the DJI Mic. You can get this as a combination bundle where you get both of them at the same time, or you can buy each one individually if you don't want the gimbal for your phone or the microphone. You can get either of these separately, or you can get them as a bundle and save a little bit. So let's get into it. So first, taking a look at the gimbal, look at the back of the box. As you can see, this is featuring 3-axis stabilization. You can get quick launch, so when you put your phone into the magnetic mount, it'll automatically launch the DJI Mimo app. This is also a lot more portable than in past ones. It also instantly turns on when you open it, which is nice. You get some tripod accessory, phone mount, obviously the device itself, power cable, you get a storage pouch, and your usual books. And now we can pull this little tab here. Inside here, unfold the creativity. And here is our gimbal, stand, and the phone clip. Right now, taking a look at the DJI Mic. You have 250-meter transmission range, dual channel recording. You can also record up to 14 hours of audio on each of the microphones themselves. Portable and compact. You have compatibility with regular DSLR cameras, as well as your iPhones or things with USB-C, like MacBooks or Android phones. And you get 15 hours of battery life with the case. All right, so let's get our unboxing knife again. Right, and here we just pull on the little tab again. Fold it up, and there we go. We have our accessory pouch here. These are the microphones and transmitter themselves in this nice pouch. All right, so here is a look at everything that you will get inside of the Osmo Mobile 6, as well as the DJI Mic. If you get these as a combo, you get everything that you see here. So you have a tripod adapter, you have a charging cable for the Osmo Mobile 6, you have a phone clamp, your carrying bag. You also get, of course, the OM6 itself. You get some little sticky things. I'm not quite sure what they do yet. I'll update you in the full review. If for the DJI Mic, you get your TRS cable, so that way you can connect the receiver to your DSLR camera. You also get a charging cable. You get a really nice bag to carry everything in. You get 2 windscreens, which have this nice little adapter on them, so they won't fall off of your microphones once you attach them. You get the included case, which has a battery in it and can keep these things continuously charged. You also get your receiver, which has a full color display on it. You also get 2 microphones included, a cold shoe adapter, so this is for your cameras, and then you also get a USB-C adapter as well as a lightning adapter for iPhones. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. That has been the unboxing and first look at the new DJI OM6 as well as the DJI Mic. Please let me know what you guys think of this down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.